Cloudflare-docs, view the docs. Why Cloudflare-docs is open source. Our documentation is open source so that we can stay connected with our community and quickly implement feedback. Whether you have opened an issue to provide feedback or contributed your own content, we thank you for helping us maintain quality documentation. If you have any feedback for our documentation or are interested in contributing, please refer to our contribution guidelines. Setup: you must have a recent version of Node.js 22+ installed. You may use Volta, a Node version manager, to install the latest version of Node, and npm, which is a package manager that is included with Node's installation. Curl https get.h /dollar volta install node. Install the Node.js dependencies for this project using npm or another package manager. Development: when making changes to the site, including any content changes, you may run a local development server by running the following command. This spawns a server that will be accessible via localhost localhost in your browser. Additionally, any changes made within the project, including content changes, will automatically reload your browser, allowing you to instantly preview your changes. Recommendations: part of our application accesses the GitHub API to populate the Wrangler changelog. Since GitHub gives a higher request limit to authenticated requests, you may want to add a classic token with permissions for repo's public repo to /assets secrets github token.txt. The token value should be the only thing in your file. Deployment: our docs are deployed using Cloudflare pages. Every commit pushed to production will automatically deploy to developers.cloudflare.com, and any pull requests opened will have a corresponding staging URL available in the pull request comments. For Cloudflare employees, to get right access to this repo, please reach out to the developer docs room in chat. License and legal notices: except as otherwise noted, Cloudflare and any contributors grant you a license to the Cloudflare developer, documentation, and other content in this repository under the Creative Commons Attribution 4.0 International Public License. See the license file and grant you a license to any code in the repository under the MIT license. See the license code file. Cloudflare products and services referenced in the documentation may be either trademarks or registered trademarks of Cloudflare in the United States and/or other countries. The licenses for this project do not grant you rights to use any Cloudflare names, logos, or trademarks. Cloudflare's general trademark guidelines can be found at https://cloudflare.com/trademark/. Cloudflare and any contributors reserve all other rights, whether under their respective copyrights, patents, or trademarks, whether by implication, estoppel, or otherwise. Please note that we may use AI tools to help us review technical documentation, pull requests, and other issues submitted to our public GitHub page in order to identify and correct mistakes and other inconsistencies in our developer documentation. Please refrain from sharing any personal information in your submissions. Commands: all commands are run from the root of the project. From a terminal, command action npm install installs dependencies, npm run dev starts local dev server at localhost 4321 npx astro build your production site to /dis npm run astro help. Get help using the Astro CLI. Want to learn more? Check out Starlight's docs, read the Astro documentation, or jump into the Astro Discord server.